Hey Mallory, I think it's about time we stop for a break.
Ooh, I could use another snack. I like snacks.
Snacks are good.
You know what'd be really fun?
What?
Is if we built a campfire.
Well, it's the middle of the day, but I don't see why not.
I mean, it's part of the hiking in nature, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah, cool. So let's go do that.
Yeah, all right, let's find a place where we can build a campfire.
Yeah, Jill, I found a perfect spot right here.
Mallory, Leave No Trace principle number 5 says it's to minimize campfires. So we need to use established fire rings, fire pans, or mound fires. We can't just find a spot anywhere to make a fire.
Well, where would one of those be?
I don't know. Let's look around. I think there's one real close by. Oh, look, there's a campfire right there.
Sweet.
This will be perfect.
Great.
So what we need next is some firewood.
Oh, well, I can go get that.
Okay, yeah. I'll get that. You go get the firewood, and I will get the snacks out.
Okay. What about these branches right here?
Mallory, you're not supposed to take branches off of the trees for firewood. It says that you need to find sticks on the ground.
Okay. What about this really big log right here? It's a nice dead stick.
Mallory, that's way too big. You're supposed to find sticks that can be broken by your hand.
Oh. Well, then where am I supposed to find firewood?
You can just find sticks and stuff that are laying all over the ground. Here, like this. Like, they just can't be any bigger than the size of your wrist, I think. Okay.
Rachel, I might need some help.
This is really nice.
This is such a nice little fire.
Yeah, you had a really great idea of doing a campfire.
Thanks. I have great ideas sometimes.
Mm-hmm.
It's nice and a little bit warm, and we can have warm food.
Yeah, absolutely. And even though it's a small fire, it still kind of does the job and the purpose of a fire. You don't want to make a really huge fire because then it could cause damage. Campfires are really great and they're a lot of fun and they're part of the experience, but you have to do it the right way and be really careful or else you might cause a wildfire.
Oh yeah, I've heard about those. They're not good.
Yeah, they're horrible. In fact, in some places they don't even allow you to have campfires because they're so prevalent.
Oh, that's sad.
Yeah, so you also got to make sure that campfires are allowed where you go.
That's important.
It is.
We should follow the rules when it comes to fire.
Absolutely, since it's so dangerous.
Yes. Let's just watch it.
Okay. Hey Mallory, you know what I brought that would be great for a campfire?
What?
Marshmallows.
That was a tasty snack.
I'm glad you enjoyed it.
Yes, it was lovely. While we're here, I have all those candy wrappers from earlier, so I could just burn those, right? Let me get them out of my bag.
Mallory, you're not supposed to burn trash.
Oh. Why not?
Because, well, one, it doesn't really burn. It's just going to stay in the fire pit. So you're going to leave a trashy fire pit for the next person. It also releases harmful gases into the environment.
Oh, well, probably shouldn't do that then.
Yeah.
Okay, well, that was a good snack, and we've made a fire. So let's keep going with our hike and see what else we can explore.
Whoa, but Mallory, we still have this fire here. We need to make sure it gets put out properly. We have to let it burn down to try and burn all of our wood that we put in here. And then we have to put the ashes out.
Oh. Okay, well, I guess we can sit a little while longer.
Yeah, this is all about being a responsible person when you're outside and making sure that you do a campfire the right way, like we talked about. And besides, we have all day. Let's just sit here and enjoy. Okay.
Try to burn your fire down as much as possible and not leaving a lot of debris in your fire ring. When you're ready to put your fire out, spread the ashes around and then extinguish it with water. If you do not have water available, you can smother your fire using dirt or sand. The important part is to make sure that your fire pit is cold and not left smoldering.